friends, welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to summarize a YouTube video using AI. And the AI tool that we're going to use today is none other than DeepSeek. If you've never heard about DeepSeek, I want to encourage you to head over to google.com and type in DeepSeek, or just simply sit back and watch this video as I'm going to show you how to get and use DeepSeek as well. So what you want to do, I'm going to utilize one of my videos here. Let me go ahead and choose this one, for example, how to install DeepSeek on Windows 10 or Windows 11 video. So I'm going to open up this video here, guys, and I'm going to go ahead and pause this video. Now what you want to do, simply scroll down on the video and you'll find the video description. Expand that. You'll find a section here at the bottom that says show transcript. You want to click on that, and here it will open up the transcript of this video. Now, I want to go ahead and mention that you will see this by default, or you can easily download Google Chrome extension. I'm going to show you those two extensions that I'm currently using. So let me go ahead and go to my extensions here in my Google Chrome, manage extensions, and show you basically those two extensions that you can really use to easily get transcription of YouTube videos. So here, when I scroll down, guys, I currently have the Next Level plugin. You can go ahead and use that. It also allows you to get video transcription, and you can also go ahead and find video transcription by searching for a plugin by the name of YouTube transcript. This also gives you it as well. Now let's go back to the video. Now, as you can see here, I have the video transcription here, and I can simply go ahead and click on copy here and go ahead and copy the transcript. It's going to copy the entire transcript for me. The other one that you can easily use is the video transcript, as I showed you as well. Let me go ahead and close this for a moment. If you expand this, it will show you the video transcript, and you can scroll down and you can copy the entire transcript of this YouTube video. Right? It's very easy. You will see that it allows you to copy the entire transcript of that particular video. You can go ahead and do it by this as well. So go ahead and choose whichever option you want and copy the transcript. Now you want to go ahead and open up your separate window here and simply type in DeepSeek, guys. Head over to deepseek.com and simply click and start now. It will go ahead and do a quick check to verify you before it takes you in. You might need to sign in with your account if you're doing it for the first time, so you will see that you can easily log in with your Google account. I'm currently in. Now you want to simply use a search here, and I recommend using the DeepThink as well to give you the most power out of this. Just simply go ahead and type in summarize this YouTube video transcript, and you want to go ahead and put a dash like that, put the open and close bracket here, and simply enter the YouTube video transcript in between those brackets. Then go ahead and press this button right here, which is the send, and allow DeepThink and DeepSeek to do its thing. As you can see, it's currently thinking, it's utilizing the power of the DeepThink R1, and it's currently going to summarize that video for me. As you can see right now, it's currently summarizing the video, and that's it. Very easy and very simple. It is as easy as that, and it gives you all the necessary, and it summarizes it wonderful, right? And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple how to summarize YouTube videos using DeepSeek. Very easy and very simple, and trust me, it is mind blowing what this AI tool can do.